Logo design is so much fun and it's so interesting because you can find inspiration anywhere in your world. I usually always carry my phone with me or a camera and just take photos, when I'm out with friends or if I go out for lunch or even if I'm traveling around or doing some work, I'll always pay attention to my surroundings, whether I'm in the city or in the country. It doesn't matter. I'm always ready to take a quick picture. If I see some cool type or if I see some nice colors, you always want to be alert, and that's where you're going to find the best inspiration, not online, but when you're out in the world. I'm going to show you some links that I found useful, and I've got plenty of links. As you can see, I've got all these folders up here in my link in my Chrome, but I'm just on my Instagram right now, and you can see, if I scroll down, you can see how I love badge style logos. I love simple minimal logos. I love logo types, different marks. There's so many different types of logos you can create. So I'm going to just show you some things that I use. One of the first ones is Pinterest. I love using Pinterest because it's easy just to chuck your images on there, as well as adding photos online. So you can actually download an extension that allows you to just quickly upload photos from other websites and make a quick board. It's good for mood boards, inspiration, and you can see here is different styles that I love. Anything I like, I just throw it on here. You can see here, this is like badge style logos, which I love doing. It's the best when you want to play around with typography or you want to get a retro vintage feel. So that's really cool. And you can see I have another logo design board here as well. It's so good to explore and, get inspiration from other designers and see what they do, learn off them, as well as experiment yourself. You're not going to get good unless you practice and experiment and just play around with stuff. There's no rules, just, do your best and just play around and get better. When I first started, my logos looked pretty bad, but then over time, my ideas started evolving and my thinking patterns started getting better. Another inspiration is Dribbble. Dribbble is amazing. It's got the best designers. A lot of it is visual design. Sometimes it doesn't show the thinking behind it, but it's okay to look at it and, get some inspiration. Don't always spend too much time on here because, you're not going to learn anything. So you can see here's some of the people I follow. You can see here, got some logos. Got some monoline type of stuff. I love illustration as well, but I love scrolling through here. If I'm lacking some inspiration, I'll just jump on here really quick and then type in some tags at the top. So you can type in some tags here and we'll find something cool. Another thing as well is getting some books. Logo Design Love by David Airy is an awesome book. You can see here's a quick video. He just shows you some stuff in there. It's a highly recommended book. I recommend you get that, as well as a few other ones that I'll mention later on. Logopond.com is awesome as well. You can see, I love how you got some featured logos here. So you can scroll here, a lot of great designs. Obviously, you don't know the context. Sometimes people just make logos for fun. Maybe it's for a client. And the cool thing is you can actually filter it through this. So you can see if you want to see a student's work, you can click on that. And it's actually going to filter through that. So you can see all these students' works. If you want to see client work, you can click that and filter it all out. So you can see it's a bit slow, but this is how you can see and get some inspiration that way. Another cool thing is Logo Lounge. This is another popular one as well. You can actually get an account on here, but I think it's like $100 or something a month or a year, sorry. And it's got great designs. This is more professional and for the older type of crowd that use this. But you can see he got logos here. You can also click up here for different logos, and you can even look at the trends as well. So you can see here, look, you have to sign up if you want to upload your logos or see more. And you can even click on trends, and it's going to show you all the latest trends. As you can see there, they've been doing it for a while, and it's really awesome. You can learn a lot from them. Another cool site is logoinspiration.net. This is pretty cool as well. You can see here, you just got some inspiration, even branding. And you can search by categories as well. So I go to categories, I can go to logo types, and then I can just look at any one of these. So maybe I want a lettermark type of logo. It should load up. As you can see, lettermark type, boom, you get some awesome logos. It's really nice. Let's get some inspiration there. Another good one is abzidu.com. This one doesn't purely focus on logo design, but it's a bit of a mix. But I just typed in logo design in the search bar and this is what popped up. So you can see, and a lot of it will show you the design process they go through, whoever writes the post. So this is another one I love. And if you go to the main page, you'll find some different stuff here. So they do a lot of mix of everything, but this is just a few blogs that I follow. Another one good is Creative Block. You can find some logo design tips here. They also recommend books and programs and processes and videos and tutorials and everything. I love this one. You know, I used to always learn off this when I was in college. This is one of the best blogs I used to always follow. So right now I'm going to show you some personal designers that I love and follow. One of the main ones is Aaron Draplin. He's awesome. I've learned a lot from him. His book is also really good as well. I think it's Everything Draplin. I think you click on here, it's the DDC book. Yeah, so pretty much everything Aaron Draplin. You got to get that book. It's really awesome. And you can see here, I just went on his work and you can see all his logos, his past clients. And I love logo design because it's just simple, you know, it doesn't have to be complicated. You have a simple concept and you work with it and, you know, you come up with many ideas. It's not always your first ideas that are initially going to work. It's, you know, it's the many bad ideas that lead to the good idea. And I love how it just puts up most of his identities and it's just so sweet. So you can get some quick inspiration, not just to copy them, but to get some inspiration and see how they're playful and what he's done, which is awesome. Another cool one is Alan Peters. He's awesome as well. And I'm just on his logos page and I love these ones. They're super cool. And they're really well designed. And he's a professional designer. He's been doing it for many years. And I love this type of logo design. A lot of the logo designers I follow are from America, which is pretty cool. So you can just see they're scrolling through, just checking out those logos, which is awesome. Another one is Von Glitchka as well. I've learned a lot from him. He's got a really vector-based style, which I like. And it's very illustrative as well. So you can see he does a mix of stuff. He's got logo design here. And then he does a lot of the illustration. But you can see some of his logos here. It's so awesome. Really well done. And he knows what he's doing. It's perfect. So he's another designer I follow. Another popular one is Nick Slater as well. A lot of people may know him from Dribble or Instagram. But he's awesome. He does a lot of badge style logos, which I love as well. And he experiments and plays around. And he's always learning and growing. And it's awesome to follow that. You can see here just on his portfolio page. And you can see different stuff. Playing around with type. Playing around with monoline logos. Badges. Awesome stuff. I love that. So yeah, that's just some inspiration where I go to look, you know, online. Some blogs. Some places to build up my own mood boards and stuff like that on Pinterest. And then also designers that I follow. So, you know, the best thing to do is, you know, use these inspiration and it's going to really build your mind and your thinking and it's going to allow you to, you know, draw ideas from, not necessarily copy, but it's going to help you, you know, build up yourself and build up your portfolio too.